name him?
Big Henry.
What do you want to name him? What do you want to call him?
Snails.
Do you want to call him Sam? Sam the slug?
Stand up.
Can you see him moving? Isn't he funny looking?
Big Henry.
Yeah.
My pocket.
Look how long he is.
The biggest.
He's a big slug. You see?
Is that yours?
Do you see the big slug? He says, "Hi, Bo."
Yucky, yuck.
He's a little slippery.
Yucky, yuck.
You think he's yucky? He's not yucky. He's just a slug.
Yucky, yuck.
He's a little slippery. See his little antenna? He's so cute.
Junior.
His little antenna. Those are his little pointers in the front.
Jenna.
Antenna. Very good.
Big Jenna.
Big antenna. Yep. All right, we ready to put him in the grass? Did you
Yeah.
get some pictures? Look at, and now he's chubby again, and then he'll stretch out. Watch him stretch out. Hold on. He's gonna stretch out. See him stretching out? He's gonna get long again. Look how long he's getting. Look how long he is.
Yo, yucky.
He's a skinny slug.
Yucky, duck.
He's not a yucky slug. He's a nice slug.
Yuck, yucky, duck.
You think he's yucky, Tuck?
Yeah.
No. Do you want to see him get chubby? Watch. Watch him get chubby. Watch. Watch him get chubby. Oh, he's peeing on me. All right, can we put him back in?